Hey, in this video, I want to show you the 5 different levels of the amazing song Don't Stop Believing by Journey. So what I mean is that I want to show you the different options that you have to play this song from beginner to the advanced level. Alright, so the first level is for the beginner. You're just starting playing, you know, a few chords and you want to start playing Don't Stop Believing. So what I would do with this song is that I would simply play the chords, hold the chords, and sing along with this song. So we could go like E, B. Also just keep the triad, don't play the 7th chord, stay easy. And here we could maybe sing along. Just a small tiger, living in a lonely world. Just keep it simple here. So whole notes here, like this. So the left hand is just playing the root. You have the chord on the right hand, and you just hold the note. This is a perfect idea if you just want to sing along. Play the chords and maybe sing with some friends. It's very simple. Now the second level, if you want to add a little bit more to this song, you could actually add a broken chords for the beginning. So instead of just holding the chords here, we could just take the same exact chord, but do a broken chord effect in 8 notes on the right hand. Keep it whole notes on the left right here. So you could go like, just a triad chord. Don't forget about the chord inversion if you can. And then we're back to holding notes. So you can maybe sing along again. Just play. It's just fun. Just have fun with this song like this. Another option for this one, you could keep playing the broken chord if you want, just in the verse as well. It might be a little bit more complicated, but you could try it out. So this is for the second level. Now, level 3 is that you're getting better, you're used to play chords, side 3 notes, and what we're going to be doing is that we're actually going to be playing the right riff for the introduction on the right hand, but we're going to keep it very simple on the left. Just keep holding notes here. And in the verse, you could maybe play the single melody line. So let's see how it would go. So for the right hand, we want to add the proper accompaniment here, the proper piano part, and just don't play the bass line for now. So you have this part here. It's broken chords, but these are the right notes. So you have this. And maybe here we could go like just the root. Yeah, just like that. So you could play the whole song like that. Keep it simple, just play the melody, the root, and it would sound amazing. Now, level 4, you're getting better and you want to play in the band. So this time we're going to be playing the piano accompaniment, just like it is in the song. So you need to add the left hand line in the beginning in the theme of the song, and we're going to keep playing this for the verse too, because this is what the piano does. It's going to change a little bit further in the song, but let's start with the beginning. So with the bass line, we would have like... keep it. So we play this introduction all the way through the verse, and this is really the piano part. You want to be playing this. You don't want to be playing the melody because there's a singer in the band. So you let that to him and you just figure out how to play the piano part here. So this is a level 4. And now for the last level, for the level 5, if you want to play a piano solo version of this song using the theme, so the introduction, playing the melody in the verses, adding some chords, some groove, doing like a whole blend of every level we've talked about. So it could go like this. So we're back to the theme. here you play the melody. So this is the piano solo version. Alright, so there we go. These are the 5 levels to play Don't Stop Believing by Journey. So you really have like all the steps you need to take to be able to play this song. It's gonna help you out to figure out what you should do next and what you can add to this amazing and legendary rock song. Please let me know in the comment what song you want me to do next and have a good practice.